is the whistle.
The five-star general couldn't get treated any.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Franklin County and east central Kentucky, eastern Henry County and north central Kentucky, northeastern Shelby County and north central Kentucky until 6:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles southeast of Newcastle and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Kennebec, Belleville, Harveyland, Franklinton, Flag Fork, Slabtown, Drennan Springs, Ottisville, Lockport, Poles Grove, Orville, Dallas, Swallowfield, Peaks Mill, Justin Elmville. This is a dangerous situation. This storm is producing widespread wind damage across the area. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
This will be the first history that Germany will go to the stage. France was in penalties 4 years ago in the quarterfinals and advanced. We take in the image.
History is written. The Supreme Court guarantees marriage for all. There's a rush for licenses in more than a dozen states.
The local Doppler radar. The local Doppler radar.